Well, let's just see what came into the shop today. My new car. No, this is a client's child's vehicle, and it came in for repair because the main engines, the two motors that drive the wheels, which is pretty significant, does not function. But there are features on this car that do. And if I press this and this, and then to run this, I can either go forward or stop or reverse. And it comes with a remote control for the parents to actually make it function. And underneath is the controls and the battery. Now, this is a neat feature, high speed or low speed. So you can lock off the particular speed that you want. And that's the controller. So hopefully we'll figure out what's wrong with this nice toy.